Are you ready to unlock life-changing wealth in today's market? If you've been waiting, for a sign, a real signal that it's your turn to ride a tsunami of opportunity, then let me introduce you to the one investment service you can't afford to ignore, Brett Eversole's True Wealth. Let's get honest. Every day, headlines shout about economic risk, volatile stocks, and the next big crash. But what if I told you that right now, you're standing on the brink of one of the strongest, most lucrative bull runs in history, and most investors have no clue it's about to begin? This isn't hype. It's the mathematics and the money flows that Brett Eversole and the True Wealth team have uncovered, and it could make you richer than you ever imagined. Why am I so confident? Because Brett Eversole's True Wealth is engineered for moments exactly like this. If you've ever felt like Wall Street insiders are always the first to cash in while everyday investors scramble for scraps, you'll love the level playing field Brett's research delivers. True Wealth is not just another investment newsletter. It's the key to profiting from over $7.4 trillion in idle cash. The dry powder experts say could soon flood into stocks, gold, and alternative assets, generating windfall gains for those prepared to move now. Let's dive into the reasons why True Wealth is capturing the attention of thousands of smart investors and turning skeptics into believers. One winning recommendation. Time. First, Brett Eversole's True Wealth is built on a time-tested, clear philosophy. Forget chasing hype or yesterday's winners. Instead, focus on safe and cheap investments with massive upside potential in sectors, companies, and assets most analysts ignore until it's too late. Brett is a master at surfacing overlooked opportunities. With 15 years of publishing, wins guiding readers through historic rallies and gut-wrenching panics, True Wealth has racked up a remarkable 264 winning recommendations and counting. When others panic, Brett digs for the signals, all backed by rigorous data and smart market psychology. Here's what makes True Wealth so different and so powerful. When you join True Wealth, you get immediate access to Brett's full model portfolio. This isn't a vague list, it's a living blueprint to financial growth, actionable picks across hot technology stocks, oil, dividend-laden blue chips, surging gold plays, and even secret currency strategies beloved by billionaire families but unknown to most. No matter your experience, you'll see exactly what Brett buys, why he's bullish, and how to follow along step by step. Every month, True Wealth members receive deeply researched recommendations, complete with eye-opening charts, historical context, risk guidance, and crucially clear instructions when to buy, how much, and when to lock in gains. But that's not all. If something in the market changes fast, Brett's team sends email and app alerts in real time so you can pivot with confidence. There's no waiting for quarterly updates. A single alert can save you thousands or capture a monster profit in days. And let's talk resources. New subscribers are showered with premium bonus content, including Never Bet Against America, a blockbuster report revealing 5 stocks positioned to 5x as the Melt Up Tsunami hits. These are not the usual suspects, but value-rich, under-the-radar companies poised for explosive inflows. $8,000 gold and beyond. Brett's gold research is legendary. Discover why this bull market has years left to run and how you can profit with easy one-click trades. Forget the hassles of owning physical bullion. Unexpected profits. Brett hunts in neglected corners of the market. Income plays surprise sectors and dividend animals that could pay outsized returns as the melt-up cycle kicks in. A secret currency that could pay you 500% gain. Access to true insider strategies with Brett's step-by-step guide to a lesser-known asset with dramatic potential. All of this plus full archive access to True Wealth's prior research, exclusive subscriber-only updates, and daily market digests from Stansberry Research's elite team. You'll never miss a critical trend pivot or emerging opportunity. True Wealth is designed for investors who want results, not flashy promises. But what good is research without a community? Brett's approach is personal with educational videos, explainers, and regular Q&A sessions so you feel empowered, not intimidated. Whether you're rolling over a 401k or just starting out, the service is crafted for all skill levels. So why now? Because while the mainstream is fixated on fear, Brett Eversole's True Wealth sees the pressure building behind the scenes. The last time a melt-up event formed, rapid action investors made life-changing gains, sometimes in months, not years. Remember, melt-ups don't wait for you to feel comfortable. They happen fast, reward those prepared and leave laggards in the dust. With trillions in cash waiting for an excuse to enter the market, and with sentiment finally shifting from technology stocks to gold-forgotten sectors to surprise currencies, the stars are aligning for one final push. Brett's True Wealth Model Portfolio puts you in front of the flows, not chasing behind. Is there a catch? No. In fact, Brett's True Wealth is now available at one of its lowest prices ever, 84% off the standard rate. Try it for 30 days, absolutely risk-free. If you're not thrilled with the research, the recommendations, the bonuses, or the results, you get every penny back. No questions, no haggling. Keep all the reports and recommendations you receive. Imagine logging into your private member portal and instantly seeing positions in top-performing growth stocks, income generators, and precious metals, each one reviewed and updated by Brett himself. Imagine reading bonus reports that introduce you to investments nearly nobody knows about, but that hedge funds are quietly buying behind the scenes. Subscribers regularly say True Wealth changed how they invest, giving them clarity, conviction, and above all, results. It's not just about market returns, but about sleep at night, confidence, and the thrill of knowing you're finally on the right side of the biggest moves. So are you ready to ditch the guesswork and join the investors who are perfectly positioned for the melt-up tsunami? Say yes to Brett Eversole's True Wealth. Take control, take action, and claim your share of once-in-a-generation opportunity. Because when the cash flood begins, only those with Brett Eversole's True Wealth research will know exactly where to stand and how high to ride the wave. Ready to get started? Don't miss out. This invitation may be the difference between a year of what-ifs and a future of look what I did. Click the link in description or in the comment section below. Subscribe now and prepare for market history in the making.